In today's world, the urgency of addressing climate change and reducing our environmental impact has never been more important. Each day, month, and year, the impacts of climate change grow more and more severe, threatening our ecosystems, livelihoods, and communities. At Johnson Air-Rotation Systems, we are committed to innovation and sustainability. As the originators of air rotation, our technology revolutionizes the way large spaces are conditioned, providing benefits for both businesses and the environment. Our products eliminate water consumption, lower motor horsepower, resulting in total lower utility usage, less structural steel, and equipment removal from the roof, allowing for solar panel installation. Together, we can reduce our environmental footprint, one Johnson Air-Rotation system at a time.